This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mint vs Fedora vs Arch full comparison. Follow along and focus on installation steps, package tools, and use case examples to decide which fits you. I'll point out where each distro shines and where it struggles. If you use a laptop, desktop, or server, these notes will help you weigh stability versus cutting edge and choose a path that matches your comfort and goals. Install experiences vary a lot, so I'll guide you through what to expect from each distro step by step. Mint gives a friendly graphical flow for quick setup. Fedora's Anaconda provides advanced partitioning and options, while Arch demands hands-on commands but teaches you the system deeply. Consider your patience, hardware, and desire to learn when choosing an installer path, and prepare backups before making major disk changes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long install marathons because it keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, which is perfect when you're troubleshooting. I use it during late-night upgrades, and it saves me trips to the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Package management shapes daily use, so I'll compare how updates and software installs differ in each distro. Mint's APT focuses on stability and long-term support, Fedora's DNF balances new features with tested releases, and Arch's Pacman gives immediate access to the latest packages via rolling updates. Think about how often you want system updates, whether you need bleeding-edge software, and how comfortable you are resolving occasional breakages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.